Lightning. Knit and purl stitches. Today we will knit a zigzag pattern from our collection. Here we see a zigzag strip of purl stitches on a plain knit fabric. It's a simple and versatile pattern. Cast on stitches multiple of 5 stitches. Repeat rows from 1 to 10 for the pattern. Row 1. Right side row. Purl 1 stitch. Knit 4 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 2. Wrong side row. Purl 3 stitches. Knit 1 stitch. Purl 1 stitch. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 3. Knit 2 stitches. Purl 1 stitch. Knit 2 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 4. Purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch. Purl 3 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 5. Knit 4 stitches. Purl 1 stitch. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 6. Purl 4 stitches. Knit 1 stitch. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 7. Knit 4 stitches. Purl 1 stitch. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 8. Purl 1 stitch. Knit 1 stitch. Purl 3 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 9. Knit 2 stitches. Purl 1 stitch. Knit 2 stitches. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Row 10. Purl 3 stitches. Knit 1 stitch. Purl 1 stitch. Repeat 5 stitches of the pattern. Repeat rows from 1 to 10 for the pattern. Enjoy your knitting and subscribe to our channel to get more patterns to your collection.